Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to share with you about adjustment laser in Filmora 2. So let me explain to you briefly what an adjustment laser and how you can use it in Filmora. An adjustment laser is kind of a special laser and powerful tool, allow you to apply effects and adjustments to multiple clips at once. In order for working with adjustment and laser, you will be not working directly on your original video. Simultaneously, you can modify effects and adjust plenty of video by placing a layer about your video track on timeline. So this way helps you to save your time and your effort, and you can edit faster and efficiently with the adjustment laser. So let's come into Filmora interface. I'll show you how. After you do, so now I'm in the Filmora interface. So first I'm going to share with you where you can find the adjustment laser and cross over quickly the adjustment laser property. So to find the adjustment laser, you go to the media and go down and you see adjustment laser here. Just grab and drop it, and on the timeline about your video footage, right? And you just double click and you see the laser property appear with two main tab with the laser and color. With the laser you can see the scale, position, rotate, flip, and blend mode. Here blend mode you can select the one other mode that you want. Here that preset for you and just select one of them that you feel happy, then it's okay for your video footage, right? And animation here with animation to provide you a preset animation with a basic mode, either fading, fade out, pause, or slide right up, voltage in or voltage out, zoom in, zoom out, right? With the color here, a Filmora provide you a preset for you, and you select it for your video directly and do not anything here, right? But sometimes you want to make color by yourself, and you can go to the LUT tab or color or ASL curves color wheels. That's all the great tool for you if you are a profession in editing color effects. And furthermore, work with adjustment layer, you can go to the effect and then you put the effect directly on adjustment laser, and it's automatic change your original video, right? You see. And when you feel happy with your edit and you want to another video footage that's the same editing, you just hold and stretch out your adjustment laser, cover the video for another video footage, and you see that's the same effect right here. You see that? The same effect and color effects as you want. And this way to save your time a lot and your effort when you don't need to edit your video again many times, right? And furthermore, work with the adjustment laser that help you make consistently video when you make the story video that bring the same mode for whole video to your audience, right? And when you feel happy with your adjustment laser, you just put it there, but you think don't need it, you just click and delete it, and this is great, you see. And when you delete the adjustment and anything on your original video not change, just remain right the same original video. And here's the great way editing, that's a non-destructive editing for your video. Here, that's all I want to share with you today. I hope it's a useful video and you enjoy my video today, and thank you very much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you want to see more, and see ya.